Question 5. A container is used to collect the liquid produced by a factory. As soon as the container is full, it starts to empty the liquid into a tanker. As soon as the container is empty, it starts to fill again. The graph shows the process of the container being filled and emptied into the tanker. So what's happening here is it's filling up. It's its maximum. The container's full when it's got 6 litres in after 3 hours. And then it empties again, and then the cycle is repeated. What is the volume of the liquid in the container 2.5 hours into the process? So 2.5 is right in the middle of 2 and 3. So you go to the halfway point, so it's 5 squares across out of 10. And then you draw a line up and across. From mine, I've noticed that it's between 4 and 6 is 2 units, and it's 10 squares. So it means it's going up in 0.2. So 4.2, 4.4, 4.6, 4.8, 5, 5.2, 5.4. It's in the middle of 5.4 and 5.6. So I'm going to put that one down as 5.5. Part B. How long does it take to half fill the container? Give your answers in minutes. The container's full when it's up to 6 litres because that's the highest point on the graph. So half full would be half of 6 is 3. So because half of 6 is 3, I need to come across to my curve and down. When I'm coming across to my curve and down, I'm noticing halfway, I'm going to put a number of minutes instead of hours because I want it in minutes. So 60 minutes is 1 hour. So 30 minutes would be halfway, and it means 30 is divided by 5 squares. So every square is 6 minutes. So because that square is 1 past 30, it would now be 36 minutes. Part C. The container is empty at 8:36 a.m. At what other times is the container empty between 9 a.m. and 9 p.m.? It takes 5 hours to fill a container. So from 8:36, 1 hour would be 9:36, 2 hours would be 10:36, 3 hours would be 11:36, 4 hours would be after midday, then 12:36 p.m. and 5 hours would make it 1:36 p.m. And then, is there another 5 hours before 9 p.m? Yes. So 1 hour, add 5 hours is 6, so it's 6:36 p.m. And there's no other time because the next one then would be after 9 p.m, it'd be 11:36 p.m.